So I have a small Dollar Tree haul for you today. It's not a lot, but I would like to say I went to the Dollar Tree, and when there's seasonal items, I like to buy them. And I also like to be frugal. And you're thinking, Crystal, it's the Dollar Tree, you can buy it. But I do like to be frugal. I don't like to buy things I'm just going to waste. And so I do believe in a return. And one of my tips is to always get your Dollar Tree receipt and to also save it, because Dollar Tree does accept returns, well, exchanges. So if you take in your receipt, you can exchange the item for a new item. And I go to the Dollar Tree so much that it makes sense. So for instance, my last Dollar Tree haul, it was my Valentine's one, I'll link it below. I didn't end up using like 3 or 4 of the things, and so I'm going to return them or exchange them. So keep your receipt. Like the stuff I bought, I haven't used yet, but it's also for a spring season, so I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit. So that's my advice, is keep your receipt, hold on to it, know where it is, so you can exchange the things you don't use. Okay, let's get into this. So the first thing I bought were these little, I don't even know what you'd call them, planter saucers. And I have a few plants in my house that are in like trays, and they leak water. So I'm going to put one of these under it just to try and save the tray. Also, I plant a lot during the summer. We like to garden, and I like to have like herb gardens and little plants. So I'll probably use these. So I bought 2 on accident. They were connected. So there's 6 total. There's 3 in each, but these will come in handy, and I'm happy for them. And then I bought, along with the planting things, I saw these little clay pots, and I thought they were so cute. They're very small. And I saw this thing on Pinterest where it's like a little gardening kit for your kid, and I'm always trying to come up with fun ideas. Last year, my daughter helped me plant herbs, and then she was in charge of watering them every day. So I thought about doing something similar with these. Also, we have a very small kitchen windowsill, but I thought about just doing like little herbs and putting them in here and doing it in the windowsill. We'll see what I end up doing with these. Good to have on hand for the summer. And you get 3 for $1. And then I just thought these, I love pots, planters. I love these. And I especially love them from the Dollar Tree. In fact, I've bought some from Target and Home Depot, and my Dollar Tree ones hold up just as well. You can tell they're a little cheaper. I think some of my Target ones are a little better, but I still have my Dollar Tree ones. So, I love them. So I was drawn to these ones because you can't see it, but inside they have this built in, so you like don't need to add rocks to it. So that's why I got them. It comes with 3. They also had them in this same clay color, and then I think maybe a green color, but I went with this, I don't even know what it is, a teal blue color. And I'm getting into propagating basil. I think that's a great gift to give. Also, we make a lot of pesto, so I bought this for propagating or whatever I put in here. Once again, it can fit in my windowsill, or I can just have little plants around my house, or I can give them as gifts. So I'm going to definitely hold on to these. And then, oh, I just remembered I'm missing something. I'm gonna have to find it, so I'll add it into this. But it comes with the gardening section. One second. Okay, I found them. They were in the most obscure place, toddlers. Okay, I bought the lemon gardening gloves, and they have this on the inside, so it's textured, and I think they feel pretty heavy duty. I have some cheaper ones from Home Depot too, but these are gonna be great. I really liked the pattern. My Home Depot ones I've had for like 5 years, and they're getting holes in them. So for $1 and the pattern, I couldn't pass them up. So I love them. I think a great gift idea for someone like for Mother's Day or Father's Day would be like seeds, a pair of gloves, the shovels from the Dollar Tree are top notch. I've had 2 of them for years. Like, I would buy more. So a shovel, like, it's a really great gift. In fact, I'm thinking about it now and I'm like, I should go do that for my dad and stepmom. So these are just so cute. And I think I'll buy a pair for my husband. So gardening gloves, lemon. And then that is all I bought from the gardening section this time around. And then I bought some more Valentine's things. So I went to a different location and they had just different paint sets. You guys know I love these. This one is a llama, I think. And I bought 3 of them. It has little hearts everywhere. No, I bought 4. I have some neighbor girls that are really good friends with us, and it will just be a fun activity for them. So my daughter helped me pick this one out. And then she got one that was a chick one with eggs for Easter, but she's already painted it. So they had those ones out too. And then she really liked the unicorn one and she bought it. Well, I bought it, but she picked it out. So another one. It's just something fun. We love it. And then I display them in my house. It comes with these little easels, and I like try and do a seasonal one each year, and it's just fun each season. I know how to talk to everyone. Okay. And then I bought some weird stuff. So I made like a medical tracking chart for my mother-in-law, and I needed some dry erase markers, and everywhere they were like $5 for a pack of 4. And maybe they were in cuter colors, I don't know, but I knew I had to go to the Dollar Tree to get them. So I got these, and it came with 4, a black one. I also, in my last video, I bought a whiteboard that came with 1, and so I figured I could use these other colors to do letters and meal planning and stuff. So I have these, and I've used one. And then this is like something we always buy, and it is a oral care kit. These you can also buy like from Target and Walmart for a lot more money. It comes with a toothbrush, which I'll probably use for cleaning, or for cleaning, not my teeth, but like my bathroom. And then it comes with a tongue scraper and a little mirror and a little plaque picker, and we have used them and it works great, so we just needed a new one. And then I bought a couple Easter things. So I saw these last year and I thought they were so cute. I bought 2 of them. I don't decorate for seasons, but as my kids get older, I feel like I should. So this is the start of my Easter decor, and I probably won't overdo it. This may be it, we'll see. But they come in like this little egg holder, and then the eggs just look really cute. I've seen the same ones at Target for $3, and these were $1. I think the Target ones may be a little more high quality, but I don't really care, and I wanted to snatch them up while I saw them. I don't like, how do you guys decorate with these? I think I'll take the plastic off and display them, but then we can get into the eggs. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. They're pretty cute as is, so we'll see. And really, like, if you look up close, it really is just a plastic egg with black paint splattered everywhere, but it's cute. They're cute, okay? All right. And then the last thing I bought was this. My daughter, I'm struggling today. My daughter wanted one of these, so I bought this. And we just like to have these things on hand. So that's my Dollar Tree haul. And I want to say that I love doing these videos. It's really fun for me. It's a nice outlet. I've taken like a week off. We've had a lot of family things going on that have not been very fun. And I just want to say that like, we're going through stuff. I know everyone's going through stuff right now. And then on top of it, with the world where it's at right now, it's really like heightened. Everything's heightened. And I just want to tell you thank you for watching my video. The whole reason why I make YouTube videos is for an outlet for me, and also I'm trying to like provide positivity and like positive entertainment into the world. So thank you for watching, and let me know what spring finds you're finding at the Dollar Tree that I should pick up next time I'm there. And I hope you have a great day, and you know that you are amazing. Bye.